SATU. Hello viewers! First of all, I would like to say thank you to the Desa Banjar who made this amazing contest, and to all the judges and to all my beloved viewers who watched this video. Before I tell you the story about my idol, let me introduce myself first. Hello, my name is Galuh Lokahita Suwandani and I'm one student of Senior High School 1 Banjar. On this occasion, I would like to tell you the story about my idol, my Iron Man, Robert Downey Jr. Robert Downey Jr., also known as RDG, he is an American actor and one of Hollywood's most gifted and versatile performers. Robert Downey Jr., born in New York on April 4, 1965. He is the second child of two. He has the older sister named Allison. When he was a child, he was raised by a filmmaker. His father, Robert Downey Sr., he is the filmmaker who often directs independent film. And his mother, Elsie Ford, she is an actress. We back to the RDG teenage life. Because he was raised in film environment, he was very interested to becoming an actor. So, he entered to the Stegner Manor Performing Arts Training Center in New York. But his parents were divorced. Because his parents divorced, he moved to California. In California, he studied in Santa Monica High School. But his spirit to be an actor is just had grown up. So he moved again to New York and entered again to the Stegner Manor Performing Arts Training Center. When RDG 20 years old, he got work offer to participate in television show named Saturday Night Live. But the rating of this show is not as expected. So he removed from this show because he was considered to playing the mediocre role. But after that, he appearing as a small actor in several films like A Truth 1985, Change Art 1989, and Air America in 1990. His career began to peak in 1992 after he got to playing a character Charlie Chaplin in Chaplin film. He was very work hard to this character, and this character took him to the nomination of Best Actor at Oscar. And after that, he got a lot of work over his life full of camera and he became an extraordinary person. But at the same time, he arrested because he consuming illegal drugs. Then he rapidly went to prison. That his career that he built up from zero, it just gone away. He should build up his career again from zero. And also, in 1992, he married with Deborah Falconer. This marriage placed with one child. But they were divorced in 2004. On the other hand, RDG struggled to get out of his addiction. But then, he married with Susan Levin and she helped Downey to get out of his addiction. And this marriage placed with 2 children. After his finishing his rehabilitation, he went back to his career, but it wasn't easy because many labels didn't want him because of his bad habits. But his best friend helped him to get through it. And finally, he got a role on television show named The Singing Detective, 2003. And after that, the director, the producer, trust him again. So he got a large film offer like a Kiss Kiss Bang and Iron Man. In 2008, he got a main character of Iron Man, which was shaded by Marvel Cinematic Universe. This film also turning point of Marvel because before they experience a financial crisis. So with this film, Marvel show their powers again. RDG career rapidly growed up again to the peak because this character. For 11 years, he played this character. He got a successful life. He got a lot of fans. And we can learn from this RDG story that we should be brave to try a new stage in our life. And when we fall, we should try more and more. And we got a successful life. And don't forget to work hard is the key of successful life. So it's the end of my story. So it's time to me to say goodbye to all of you guys. Thank you for all kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.